Alphalas 300,000. 300,000. On the catalog is written number 14, but it's number 15. With 485 kg to reserve champion. Can I have a bid?
Reserve champion.
For the first time, 400,000 for governor. For the third time, item gone. 300,000. 300,000 kwa Mheshimiwa Rais. For the first time, 400,000. 400,000. Mara ya kwanza, butchers, 400,000. For the second time, 400,000. For the third time, Our Excellency. Oh, sorry. Is across. Can I have your bid? Can I have your bid?
Meno iko na sita. Is across from Kenya Seed.
Spring champion. Iko page 1 on the. So just tell us about this one. The age is about 5 years. 50. 350. Prince Choice. Can I have your bid? Prime cut on page 2. Number 4. For governor, they are good for breeding. 550 for governor. For the. Can I have your bid? 325 for the first time. 400.
The second award is Women in Agriculture. Miss Josephine Mora, and the winner is Ibrahim Waidhumbi from Nyandarua County. Youth in Agriculture, Lamek Kabutu, victorious.
The greatest challenge we have as a country is not external aggression, it is not Al-Shabaab, it is not Al-Qaeda, but it's millions of young, disillusioned, disengaged young people who have no jobs. And that is the category, or rather that is where our focus must be in providing opportunities for young people, and agriculture presents an amazing place for us to do that. Your Excellency, I was here yesterday and I had the opportunity to go around. I visited various stands, many organizations, institutions that are here exhibiting, and I got the chance to speak to a few traders, and I'm glad you also saw some of them in the Nairobi stand. The greatest takeout that I got from them is that people are simply just looking for an opportunity, for a chance, for an opportunity to showcase their hard work and to be able to earn a living. The citizens don't want too much from government. I think all Kenyans invariably want the same thing: to go about their lives peacefully, to make something out of themselves and guarantee their children a future. Your Excellency, you have led the way in creating these opportunities for the people of Kenya, and as governors, as leaders at the county level of government, I want to pledge that we support that, and we also are following your cue in providing these opportunities. Many of the people here, many of the farmers, many of the traders have gone through various challenges to enable them to reach where they are today. They have worked hard and they proudly stand to showcase the fruits of their labor. This week is an opportunity to showcase what
the theme of this trade fair resonates well with the dreams and ambitions of the government of Kenya and the various technologies being displayed here by local and international exhibitors are suitable in addressing the key challenges facing agriculture in our country. I would like to urge participants to take advantage of these technologies to improve our agricultural production and productivity. I also wish to assure all the stakeholders that the ministry will continue to provide the enabling policy and regulatory environment to spur agricultural development in line with our national policies.